Hi YouTube, good morning. So today we're going to be putting fog lights in my 2014 GMC. I'm going to be using the new Alla LED fog lights. This is the original halogen bulb that was in it. I mean, there's nothing wrong with this, it still works, but I just wanted to upgrade to LED. I have one of these in already. I just wanted to show you guys like before and after kind of. These are very bright, they're very cheap, like $17. Very good reviews, like 6,000 views and 4.5 stars, so very worth the money. So let's go put it in. Alright, so I'm gonna turn it on. Can already see the difference, and even in the daytime. Obviously this one is the halogen bulb, pretty dull, and this one's the Alla Lighting, very, very bright. Looks really good too. And this is stock halogen bulb. Can't see it really anything. Okay, so to get these off, I'm going to show it on this. There's a little clip here and a little clip here that you need to push together. It's kind of hard to get your hand up in here, but I'm going to do the top one and then like the bottom. It's really hard to get your fingers in here. Alright, so I basically just, oops, drop my light here. So I basically just took a screwdriver, and what I did with the screwdriver, I just popped the bottom one out first and then the top, and it came right out. Sorry, the lighting's bad. But here's the bulb, and we're gonna put the new one in now. It's just a plug and play, so you just push it in. Alright, so now that it's in. Alright, and now that it's in, we're just gonna put it back in there. This is hard. Alright, so it's in there. We'll come back out and now let's see if they both work. Alright, so again we're gonna turn the ignition on, turn the fog lights on. And I can already tell it's a lot brighter right there. So we have this one and this one. Looks really good. And thank you for watching.